ち着きがある。落ち着きがあります。The word 落ち着き。落ち着き means calmness. The calmness. This means you don't be hurry. That you don't be hurry to do something, or you are the person that really calm down or calmness. So in a case like this, they say 落ち着きがある人。落ち着きがある人 is mean the person who have the calmness of mindset. And at the same time, we also have 落ち着きがない or 落ち着きがありません。This means the person that don't have the calmness. This means the person that do something really hurry or really quickly and don't think so much about what he or she will do. So in a case like they say 落ち着きがない or 落ち着きがありません。This means you don't have the calmness. You are really hurry or you are really quickly to do something. 落ち着きがない。落ち着きがあります。